I was thinking, what can I put on this wall that the family could enjoy? Well, family, I ordered what they call the world map that you can actually pin the places that you visit. So I ordered, I think it's called the IPIC map. So family, it just came in. Let's take a look at this beautiful map I want to put on the wall. Look at that. Look at that, family. Look at that. Let's take a look. I'm going to sit it over here. Look at that. It says world map, adventure awaits. This is amazing, and I'm going to put that right up there. And if they have where you could pin all the places you've been to and where you're planning on going. All right, family. As I said before, this is a map you can pin places you've been to. And I'm just sitting here with Robert, and he was just putting down some of the amazing places he's been to. He's been to Japan, South Korea. He's been to Germany. He's been to Virginia. You know, he's been to Chicago, Texas. So he's the gold, and I'm doing the silver. And I've been to, let's see, I've been to Canada. Let's see, British Columbia, you have right here. So I'm gonna pin British Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And look at all the amazing places. I just love it. Look at that. Oh, look at, we got Sacramento. So of course I gotta put Sacramento. Man, that would be pretty full, putting all the places in the Bay Area, because I've been pretty much San Francisco, San Mateo, Oakland, Los Angeles. And it's so nice, family, because you can pin all the places you've been to and all the places you would like to go to. But it also, it really makes you feel even grateful of all the places you've gone, right? Like Los Angeles, I've been to Los Angeles. Beautiful. And also I've been to, wow, look at that. Been to Mexico. I gotta find the Bahamas. I've been to the Bahamas, I've been to Hawaii. I mean, this is just amazing. Just amazing. You can see how far you've gone. And you can check the map on places you'd like to go. But this is an amazing way that family can come together. There's people that own businesses like restaurants, and when people come into the restaurant from different places, they'll put on the map where they're from. So the restaurant can always see all the people who came to, you know, come to their restaurant from all over the world. Wow, look at how big Africa is. It's just amazing. Maps are so much fun. Wow, one of my funnest trips was the Bahamas. That was for my 50th birthday. And we were on that private island. Oh, it was beautiful. You been to Florida, baby? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's right, we went there. Okay, we gotta find Florida on the map.
We've been to Philadelphia.
But look at all the wonderful places. I've been to British Columbia.
We've been to Baltimore.
Oh, Baltimore. Oh yeah, I gotta find Baltimore.
We've been to Philadelphia. Well, yeah, Philadelphia.
Oh, there goes Baltimore. Okay. Let me see Baltimore. I see it right there. Baltimore.
Into South Carolina.
South Carolina. Whoop. Yeah. So here we have Hawaii. Wow. Look at all the different islands. You got Canada, you got the United States, and you come over here to the low islands. All right, so I went to Kauai. That is one of the most wettest islands in Hawaii. I want to mark Kauai right there. All right, beautiful. Yeah, so, man, Robert, you and I went to quite a few places.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. And you went from Japan to Korea. to Germany, to Texas, to South Carolina, Florida. Wow, just a lot of places over here. Charlotte, Kentucky, Mississippi, of course, your hometown, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Chicago. Man, I've been to British Columbia, Bahamas, yeah, Las Vegas, been to LA, Mexico, Hawaii, all over the place. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, family, isn't that fun? I mean, me and Robert just sat here and just went over the map on different places we've been to, sharing places we've been together and places we experienced in our earlier ages. And that's just amazing what you can do. But anyway, family, I'm going to put a link to the description of where you can get the map and the pins, the little push pins, and you can just have fun. Well, all right, family, wasn't that fun? Just hanging out and just thinking about all the places you've been to. What an amazing thing to have in your home somewhere is places where you can pin where you've been in your travels, where you like to go next. But family, in the comments, share, you know, where you like to go next in your adventures, family. But don't forget to hit that like, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to your sister channel. Peace out.